You're welcome to Nigerian #1 digital media channel. Subscribe for your 1-minute trending update.
The young talented made it again. Zinoleesky shot down the stage at rave show 2022. The fans go viral hauling him so far. Zinoleesky got good sounds and lyrics, which make a remarkable directly satisfaction for his fans. This guy also go on his knees, he lay down on the stage for his fans. This is not like never before. Watch Niger Digital Media for your 1 number trending update. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for your trending update.